Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am Manzoor Abbasi. I will teach you mathematics, grade 6, boys and girls. And today we have to deliver the lecture number 6. Lecture number 6 is about the multiplication, that is known as product, division, and certain word problems. Now let us start the 2.4. This in 2.4, the question number 1 is about the product, and here we have to start the question number 2. Find the product of the following whole numbers. We have here two numbers, 87, comma 62. Solution. 87 multiplied by 62. Here we first multiply by 2. 87 will be multiplied by 2, and then 87 will be multiplied again by the 6. 2 sevens are 2 7 times 14, 1 will be carry. 2 8 times 16, 1 will be carry. Here 16 plus 1, 17. 2 sevens are 14. 4 here, 1 will be carried to the tens place. 2 eights are 16. It will be 17 after addition of the 1. Here, the first place we will leave, that we will write here cross or 0. Dear student, we will multiply same way. 7 6 are 42. 2 will be here. 4 will be carried. And 6 8 are 48. 48 plus 4, 52. Now after addition, 4 will be same. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 2. Here 7 plus, it is 10, 7. 7 plus 2, it will be 9 because it is carried number. And it became here 16. You can move also 7, 1. 7 plus 2, 9. 1 plus 2, 3. And 5 will be the same. Dear students, these sum just 2. Same pattern. 59 multiplied by 91. Solution 59 multiplied by 91. First multiply 51 by 9. 59 by 1 and 59 by, later you will multiply by 9. Now 1 9s are same 9. 1 5 times 5. Keep the here cross or 0. Leave the first place. And then 9 9s are 81. 1 will be here. After that 8 is carried. 9 5s are here. 45. After addition of the carry number 8, it will be 53. And here 9 same 5. It will be 5 plus 1, 6. 3 comes down same. 5 comes down same. Dear student, the answer is 5369 of the multiplication 59 by 91. Here we have the 7 sum, but before the 7 we will do the 3 sum. 101 by the 77. Solution 101 by the 77. 7 ones are 7, 7 zeros are 0, 7 ones are 7, 707. Keep the first number by placing 0 or cross. 7 ones are same with 7, 7 zeros are 0, 7 ones are 7. Now this will come, 7 will come same, and 0 plus 7, it will come again 7, here again 7, and here again 7. 7,771 answer will come. Dear student, we are in a sum number 4, 456, comma 150. Solution 456. First multiplication with 0. 0 6 are 0. 0 5s are 0. 0 4s are 0. And keep this thing same in the place here. Now dear student, we will multiply 5 and 6. 5, 6 are 30, 0 here, 6 carry, 3 carries, 5, 6 are 30, 0 here, and 5, 5 are 20, 5 plus 3, 28, 2 carried, and 5, 4 are 20, 20 plus 2, 22. Dear student, here 1 multiply, here we will keep the space or 0 or cross as you wish. Here I will keep the cross. Dear student, here will be 1 multiplied by 6, 6, 1 times 6, 6, 1 times 5, 5 same, and then 4. Addition. This 0 will come same. This 0 will also come same. And this 0 plus 8, same 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 1 here, 1 we keep here, and 1 is carried. 1 plus 2, 3, plus 5, 8, and 2 plus 6, 2 plus 4, it is coming 6. The student answer is this here, 68,400. After that, we have the sum number 5. In sum number 5, we have the same multiplication, and you are also familiar with the multiplication procedure or method in the before classes also. Here 372, comma 84. 372 multiplied by 84. First we will multiply 8 by 2, 4 by 2, 4 2s are 8, and 4 7s are 28, 2 is carried, and 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Here 2 multiplied by 6, keep the 1 space here and leave it, and after that I will write here 8, here 4, and here is the just. Now here I will multiply then 8 by here 8 7s are, it is coming here 8 7, first of all 8 2s are, it came 16, 1 up, 1 is carried, and 8 7s are 56 plus 1 57, 7 here, 1 5 is above, and 8 3s are 24 plus 5 29. Yes, students, we will keep here 8 same, 8 plus 6 14, 1 is carried here, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 7, it will become 12, and 1 here, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 9 11, 1 is carried, 1 plus 2, it will become the 3. And the answer is 31,248. This is the sum number 5. And after that, same way these sums are to be done. Same way. 6 number are here 5. Sum number 6, it will be same. Multiply first by 9, then by 0, then by 3. And then in the last we have to add all these sums. Similarly, 7 sum, 1,357. Multiply by 123. We have to multiply by first 3 here, first row. Then keep first step same. Then multiply by 2. We get here 2,714. And after that, we will multiply by 1. And here 2 spaces we have to keep the zeros are x. I will keep here 7, 5, 3, 2. Now last add. Here 1 will come same. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 is carried. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. And plus 7, 9. This will come 9. Here 11. 4 plus 7, 11. Plus 5, 16. 6 here. 1 is carried. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. And 1 is 6. So answer is here 1,66,911. Dear student, now we are in a sum number. Here we are in a sum 5, that I have 370. Here I did it. 7 number is also done. 6 done, but 7 is here. By the same way, we will do the 7 number multiplication by 3. First of all, multiplication by the 3, you will get the 407 by 2. We will get here one space should be, it will be kept same. Means keep the 0 or x, no problem. It will be here an attempt. We will leave the one space we will leave, and for that we will keep the here 0. Dear students, here we are just going to do here x one time, then in the last 2 times x will be same. Here we are doing the sum number 7. Sum number 7. After that, in the last, multiply by 1. 1 7 are 7. 1 7 5. 1 5 times 5. 1 3 times 3. 1 1 times 1. And this is the sum number 8 that I am going to do. And here you will multiply by the same way. Keep the 1 same, then 7 4, then here 1, and after that here 1 0, and after that this is the 7. Definitely 1 is carried from here because of 11. It will become 1 1 2 plus 7 9. Here similarly 11 plus 5 16, and again here 5 and 6. Here it will come the here 1 lakh 66,911. Dear student, I think this is also the same way. Sum number 7 is also same. If you do this thing, it is also same. Multiply by 1 means all the digits will come same. But only we will be careful about the spacing. Here keep the 1 space empty, here 2 space, and after that in case of addition, each number should be under the next one. Like this number should come here, this number should come here, this line. Columns, we should be careful about the column. Otherwise, the total result will be. Dear students, this is the sum number 8 which I did. Sum number 7 I did. Sum number 9. And in sum number 9, here we are the 4 digits first of all, and multiplication by the 3 digits. Fifth here 1572, comma 2441. Here 1572 multiply by 241, yeah 241. First multiply by 1, same answer. Keep the 1 space, multiply by 4, you will get the 6288. And then keep the 2 space empty, then multiply by the 2, and we will get here 3144. Now dear student, this row will come to the 2, but this will come to the 15. 1 is carried, 1 in 5, it becomes 6 14, and then and last there is the 4. 14 plus 4, it will become 18. 1 carried here 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, and here 6 plus 1, it will come 7. Here the multiplication sums are completed. Total sums, alhamdulillah, we have completed. Now we are going to solve the question number 2. Solve the following. This is also from the same exercise 2.4 and page number 21. Dear students, this is also simple division. Division by the 11, division by the 9. And here first of all we make the 74, because on 7 we can't read the 11 table. 11 table will be read on the 74 6 times. It will be 66. 74 subtraction of the 66, we will get the 8, and this 8 will come down. That value will become 88. Table of the 11 on 88 8 times, and then remainder we get the 0, and answer we get the 68. Now dear student, this is the divisor, and this inside value we call the dividend. This is the quotient, and this one last value we call the remainder. Now we are in a question number 2. 125 divided by the 9. So we combine here two values 11. And table of the 9 and 11 one time. 11 minus 9, we get the 2. Bring the 2 down, 22. 9, table of 9 and 22, 2 times 18. Subtraction of the 18 from the 22, we will get the 4. Bring the 5 down, 45. And 45 table of the 9, 5 times. 9, 5 times, it will become 45. Remainder comes 0. Dear student, the answer is 125. Here in remainder the 0. These are very simple sums that we have done in a class 5 also. And here the part number 3, and it is the 33,454 divided by 15. Here student, we will combine here 2. We will make the pair 33. And table of 15 and 33, it is 2 times. Definitely it is coming 30. Subtraction of the 30 from the 33, we get the 3. And we will bring this 4 down. Then 3 will become the 34. And table of 15 and 33, it will be 2 times 30. And here again I will get the 4. And the last number I will bring down here 45. Table of 15 and 45 3 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 15 3 times 45. And remainder is the 0. Dear students, this is also the solution, complete solution of the 33,454 divided by 15. And remainder comes 0, and answer is 223. Dear students, here we have the sum number 4. By same pattern, same method, same technique we have to use here. 7,854 divided by the 7. Similarly, table of 7 and 7 we can read, so possible 1 time. Again bring 8. Table of 7 1 time, we get 1. Bring 5, 15. Table of 7 2 times, 14. We get 1. Bring the last 4 down. And now table of 7 2 times 14. And we get the remainder 0. Dear students, now here the question number 5. Here 6,133 divided by the 52. And here 52 we can't read on the 6. So we will make the pair of the 61. So 61 here, dear student, 52 table 1 time, and we will get the 9. Bring the 3, 93. Table of 52 and 93 1 time, we get 4. We get here 41. And bring the 6 down. And 52 on the 416, we can read at time. 52 at time, we get the exact answer 416. Here the answer 416 answer will be same 0, 0. This is not necessary. Here we will move it. Here student, in the sum number 6, here we are given 9,801 divided by 81. And same way 98, 81 we can read the 81. We can't read 81 on the 9. We will make pair of the 98. 81 on 98 1 time. We get the 17. Bring the 0. And it become 170. 170. Read 81 2 times. We will get the 162. Dear student, after subtraction from the 0 to not possible. Borrow the. We will carry here 1 from the 7. 7 will become 6. Here will be 10. 10 minus 2. Here 8. The remaining answers there say 660, 110. And we will bring the 1, last one. Here it will become 81. And 81. Table of here 81 on 81 1 time. So answer is 121. Dear students, same way we have the 7 number sum number 7. Here we have the 6,216. Same pattern. And I think there is no any complicated or challenging one point. You can do same pattern. And I have to start the here same way. These many questions are also division of the 111. 2 steps here, 234. 1 time, second, and only 3 steps here. Our answer is 234. And same way here also in question number 9. Dear student, the question number 3, that is about this only word problem, but multiplication procedure is the same. Multiplication procedure is the same here. Multiplication procedure is the same. Dear student, I will write, find the product of the smallest 4-digit number. That is, smallest 4-digit number 1000, and the greatest 2-digit number that we have learned in the previous lecture, also lecture number 5, that is the 99. Dear students, first of all, we will some explanations that necessary steps they are to be written here. The smallest 4-digit number 1000, the greatest 2-digit number is 99. Their product is given as like this: 1000 multiplied by 9. Same way, the answer will come 99,000. There is still question number 4. Here, question number 4. Find the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 16. Here method, required number will be equal to divisor minus remainder plus dividend. So dear student, here 100 will be divided by 16. Here divisor is the 16. This is the dividend 100, and this is the quotient, and this is the 4 is the remainder. And what is the procedure? You will write the divisor, that is the 16, sorry, and minus 4, that is the remainder, and then add the dividend, that is the 100. Then we will get the answer 12 plus 100, which is equal to 112. This is the required smallest 3-digit number that we can divide by the 16 exactly. Exactly means when we divide 112 by the 16, we will get the answer. We will get the remainder 0. Similarly, dear students, we have a question number 5. Find the largest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by the 24. Here I have mentioned the step. Required number, that will be the largest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by the 24. It is equal to the dividend minus remainder. First we will divide the largest 4-digit 3-digit number by the 24. First on 99, 24, 4 times 96, we get the 3, bring the 9. On 39, 24 table 1 time, because 2 times 48 it is more. We will get the 15. Now the procedure remainder comes to 15. Here we have to subtract the remainder from the dividend, and dividend is the 999. 999 minus remainder, it is 984. This is the required number. Dear student, here are the certain questions that we have done in the beginning of the lecture, but it is also necessary that we may introduce what is the number. This is the objective exercise of the chapter number 2. And here, what is number? It is mathematical symbol for example 0 to 0, 1, 2 dot dot. These are the mathematical symbols, and they are known also number. And plural form, numbers are numbers. Here numbers, what are the numbers? These symbols, when we get many numbers we take in counting, then you can say these are the numbers. Means 0, 2, 3 dot dot. These symbols are, we can say that these are the numbers. These are the numerals. And here the question number 3, why 0 is called the additive identity. Dear student, addition of the 0 in any number, any real number, does not change the result. So that's why we call it 0 identity. Identity element is 0. That's why we call the 0 is called the additive identity. Because when it is added to the result remains same. When it is added, the result remains same. That's why 0 is called the additive identity. Which whole number is successor of 0? Dear student, in a very first lecture, number 4, I told you successor means after. After 0, what comes? Which whole number is successor of 0. So 1 is the successor of 0. Successor means after. And 1 is also whole number, 0 is also whole number. What is meant by the commutative law of addition? This is the 0 plus 1 or 1 plus 0. When we change the place, when we change the position of the numbers like 0 plus 1, if you are going to write 1 plus 0, result on both sides comes same, means unchanged result. It will explain the commutative law of addition. Dear student, I have here question number 2, that fill in the blanks. The number dash together with the natural number belongs, gives us the whole number. Gives us the whole number. Definitely, when we add the 0 in the natural number, we get the whole number. So answer is the 0. The number that we use for counting objects are called the natural number. Now counting number are also called the natural number. So here the natural number known as the counting numbers also. Our answer is also natural number. The number that we can exactly, the number that can be divided by 2 just are called the dash numbers. They are called the even number. The answer is the even number. The numbers that can be divided by 2 are called a dash number. Dash is the even. To represent the set of whole numbers, we use the capital letter W. So dear students, here the dash to represent the set of dash number in a blank we have the whole number, which are represented by the, this whole statement is given, capital letter W. Dear student, the product of 1 and the whole number is always the whole number itself. Hence 1 is called the same. Multiplicative identity. Answer is the multiplicative. Means when you multiply 1 by any whole number, you will get the same answer. Just you multiply the whole number 0, add the whole number 0. By addition of the 0, you get the same answer. Means 0 don't have any change in the result. Similarly, multiplication of the 1 has no change in the result. That's why 1 is called the multiplicative identity and 0 is called the additive identity. Dear students, we are in object question. Question number 3. Take the correct answer. The number that can be divided by 2 exactly are called dash. Is called the even number, but here it is the another thing. The number that cannot be divided by 2. Can be divided by 2 means even number. That cannot be divided by the 2 exactly, it is the odd number. Right answer is the B. Here number 2. The smallest natural number is 1, but the smallest whole number is 0. We have mentioned, we have discussed in the previous lectures also. So dear student, the 2 number, the smallest natural number is 1. To represent the set of natural numbers, we use the capital letter N capital. And to represent the whole number, we use the W capital. Here, to represent the set of natural numbers, we use the capital letter N. Dear students, in 4, to represent is greater than or equal to. This is the word form. We have to write in a symbolic form. Symbolic form that shows that is greater than or equal to. This is the option number B. This is left opening. Right opening means less than. So this was the end of our lecture. Dear students, today we discuss about the multiplication, that is called the product. We discuss about the division, that is also done in the previous classes also. I hope you understood. And here the 2 third questions are made. If there's any change, you can do. And here is the question number 2 about the division. And this is very simple division. Division of the one number, division of the two number. And after that, the word problems belongs to the product, but we must have to clear the smallest and greatest number also. And Alhamdulillah, they are also done. After that, the some questions which are related, question number 1, object and review exercise. Their answer also completely written. Fill in the blanks, they are also completely done. Take the correct answer, they are also done. And now, I hope you understood all things. And inshallah, if you have any problem and any question, you can ask. You can ask by WhatsApp by this same website. I will wait for your comments. I hope you learned a lot. Inshallah, God help you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.